There's that moment when the check engine light comes on and you have the realization, this is going to be expensive. So the basic wisdom is simple. Protect yourself with an extended auto warranty, right? But here's where things get tricky. Not all extended auto warranty companies are the same. But let's talk about Endurance and what people are actually saying about it in real reviews. First, the sign-up process. Most customers say it's surprisingly easy. You talk to a rep and they'll walk you through coverage and plans for your car's make, model, mileage, and year. And yeah, it turns out Endurance covers cars that are up to 20 years old and over 150,000 miles. Endurance offers up to 6 plans, starting at powertrain all the way up to exclusionary coverage, which is basically like a factory warranty. And that coverage includes everything you might expect, including an engine, AC, transmission, suspension, all that good stuff. And comes with additional perks like roadside assistance and rental car coverage. Now in the first year, they even give you elite coverage, which covers tires, windshields, and a new key fob because losing those things can actually be quite expensive. Well, that's all great. At the end of the day, it does come down to price. Endurance plans cost anywhere from $1,200 to $2,000 a year on average, based on your car's make, model, year, and mileage. They do offer flexible payment schedules and even interest-free financing. Not to mention they give you a 30-day money-back guarantee. So far, so good. But the last test is claims. For Endurance, you can bring your car to any certified mechanic, have them submit a claim, and they'll get reimbursed. All you have to pay is the deductible and make sure that you keep up on documentation. That's part of the reason why Endurance won Consumer Affairs 2025 Buyer's Choice Award. So now you'll know you'll have the peace of mind the next time your check engine light comes on.